guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mention something to you guys. I don't really want to do this, but this thing just, like, I'm a little bit frustrated about this Mavic Air 2. The reason why I am because I just got this, and once I unbox it, I noticed the battery just turned on, and also the fact that it would not charge. So, I pay a little bit extra for the shipping for this, and I want it as soon as possible, but sometimes things are not supposed to be meant to be, I guess. So I don't know, maybe DJI just rushed these drones to make this. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys. The one that I have is actually this one right here. I think a lot of people has issue with the Fly More combo, but the one that I have is the 2020-4. So I think droning on, he's actually mentioned it that people's having issue with it. I didn't seen his post, so if you do look it up, you can also look him up. But I'm just gonna go ahead and address this issue with you guys because I might be the first person that have this issue, and to tell you the truth, I don't even want to make a video out of it, but I want to because some of us been waiting for this drone to arrive and pay extra money and for the shipping, and you want this thing to do what's supposed to do, and apparently that's not what my situation here. And I'm just gonna go and show it to you. So this battery is basically turning on most of the time, so I'm gonna go ahead and I think once I had this yesterday when I did unboxing with it, I already seen that light blinking, so it's like almost another day and still blinking. So interesting here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the charger, and I think the charger brick is the problem here, and this is the only thing that I have to charge this Mavic Air 2, because none of my other charger, like my Mavic Mini, will not fit, or my Mavic Pro 2 charger will not fit. So you see, it's not turning on. And then if you do want to go ahead and hook it up the battery, and I notice it's something wrong with the charger brick. So I don't know. I know some of you guys probably have good ones. That's great. But for mine, I have that issue. So it's a bummer, especially when I spend that kind of money, or whatever it is. And I'm gonna go ahead just reuse another charger here. So to show you guys. So okay. So this is the charger brick. So one more time. It's not working. So, but if you go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Let's put it right there because it's not on anyway. And I'm using a different charger now. Now it's charging. So I did contact the company, and they want to go ahead and give me just another battery or something. I said nope. I'm just gonna return the whole thing because to me, I'm gonna be flying this in a rough condition. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things with this, and this is my drone, so I'm not gonna take that risk. So I rather just return everything back, and hopefully I get my other one. But anyway, I'm just going to share to you guys my issue here. So if you do have that problem also, go ahead, just return it back. I would not mess with it. I don't care what DJI, just want to give you another battery, or to give you a new one of these, just return it back. You rather want something that you paid for, something that is worth it for you, you know, not just, oh, okay, we're just gonna go ahead and faulty battery, we're just gonna go ahead and send you 2-3 batteries. No. Get this stuff out of here, take it back, and just get another one, I would say. But anyway, I just want to go ahead and share it to you guys, and that's about it.